Here's a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power heated mirrors. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.